and welcome! In this video, I'm going to show you 10 Romanian phrases that you can use to ask for advice and recommendations. I've mentioned this a couple of times before, but I think it's important to let you know once again that the phrases I'm using in this series are suitable mainly for informal conversations. If you'd like to use them in formal conversations, you need to adjust them so that they match the formal register. To do that, you should use the second person plural form of the verbs instead of the second person singular. Also, use pronouns of politeness like dumneavoastră instead of tu. And of course, aceasta instead of asta, as asta is considered to be rather informal. For example, instead of saying tu ce ai face în situația asta, which is of course informal, use dumneavoastră ce ați face în situația aceasta or în această situație. The demonstrative adjective can be used in front of the noun or after the noun with no changing meaning whatsoever. And one more thing, you will notice that I've mainly used the verb a face in my examples, but of course you can always replace it with whichever verb you need in that particular situation. So, that being said, let's jump right into the phrases. Ce crezi că ar trebui să fac? Ce sugerezi să fac? Ce mă sfătuiești să fac? Tu ce ai face în locul meu? Tu cum ai proceda în situația asta? Ce mă sfătuiești să fac în situația asta? Ai vreun sfat pentru mine? Ai putea să-mi dai câteva sfaturi? Crezi că ar trebui să... Poți să-mi recomanzi? Alrighty, that's about it for now. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and that you learned something new. By the way, there will be a second part where I show you 10 phrases for giving advice and recommendations, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Be happy!